With just a few years remaining before Timor Leste assumes the ASEAN chairmanship in 2029, preparations are accelerating across key sectors. From infrastructure development to institutional readiness, the government says momentum is building. And so in a brief interview, the Director General of ASEAN Affairs at the workshop on hosting ASEAN conferences and meeting, she outlines the country's priorities, progress, and confidence in Timor-Leste's ability to take on one of the region's most significant leadership roles under the framework of Association of Southeast Asian Nations.
Okay, this object of the workshop today is mostly is about training, how to host ASEAN meetings. As you all know that the government of Timor-Leste has decided for us to host ASEAN chairship in 2029. So this is very timely for Timor-Leste in order to understand better how to host the ASEAN meeting. It's how to, the speaker said today, that how we are going to manage the difficulties, how we are going to mobilize all the resources in order for us to come together in order to coordinate better in order for us to host the ASEAN meeting in 2029. So we are going to host the leaders of the ASEAN, not only that, but the leaders from the development partner as well. So that's how this training is very important for us to enhance our readiness in order for us to host, a very important meeting in 2029. And not only that, readiness is important because the region will watch Timor-Leste how they are going to manage this kind of meetings, special summit, ASEAN summit. Well, I'm not supposed to talking about this, but I can share that the meeting yesterday was just chaired by our Prime Minister. It's mostly to look at the work plan that the ACNOC need to do, and also to nominate an official to work in the group that's been divided, like the subcommittee 14, in order for us to start work for our preparation for 2029. So yesterday meeting was very important, and the first ACNOC meeting for us to prepare our readiness for 2029. Oh, I do believe that I'm very optimistic about our readiness. So I believe that this current government will work hard towards that objective. As I said, I'm optimistic. I just want to think positively.
Despite the tight framework, the Director General remains optimistic, and so should we. Challenges are not setbacks. They are tests of coordination, commitment, and national resolve. And so with major developments underway, including critical infrastructure and policy preparations, the message remains clear. Success in 2029 will not depend on one institution alone. It will require collaboration across government, private sector, and as well as society. Now, 3 to 4 years may seem long, but in reality, it will pass by in a blink of an eye. And so the ASEAN chairmanship is more than a diplomatic responsibility. It is a defining moment for Timor-Leste, a chance to demonstrate that this young nation not only performs under pressure, but rises together, united, determined, and ready to shape its place in the region. Now, the question is not whether we are capable, but whether we are prepared to move forward collectively to make 2029 a success.